it feels like things are really looking up for that Grout sales business. Sales are going through the roof. It's growing every month. It's $1 million+ a year in revenue. Amazing. But there's still so many next steps. And there's so much more work to do. For example, every new product line, the product for cleaning stone tiles and the product for pet stain cleaners, those all have to be released on Amazon and have to be ranked. When you first launch on Amazon, if you recall, the sales don't happen right away. The sales only happen after you try hard, and then you get initial sales, initial reviews, the product starts ranking. That process can take a while, and that has to happen not for one product line, but for a lot of different products now. So that's a challenge. That's going to take resources and attention. Now it's a good time to start applying to the brick and mortar retailers, the Home Depots, the Lowe's, all the big stores, and go through their extensive application process and all the requirements they ask and all the different difficult things. That's also going to take a lot of resources, a lot of upfront inventory. That also is going to be a challenge. That's going to create this challenge of even more problems with warehouse, shipping, buying up more inventory. Because one issue is that, let's say you're making a lot of revenue, but not all that revenue is profit. You got to pay employees now. You've got to pay for storage in the warehouse. You got to pay extra things for everything. And then if a brick and mortar store orders a lot of inventory, well, guess what? You need to buy up that inventory up front and eat up through all the revenue that you just had. So this business, even though it has a lot of revenue, it eats through that revenue really quickly to feed the growth. So it's actually not that easy, and there's less revenue left over than you think, and we'll cover that when we go over the business plan for what happened in the 2+ years. You'll see how much less revenue is when we look at actual pure profit. And the other problem that we need to solve is Google search for all products, because if you recall, most of the revenue for this product comes from the Amazon sales, not ranking in Google. It still doesn't rank highly in Google search for a lot of the original keywords we were targeting, because Google search is harder to rank in than Amazon search. And not only does this product have to rank for the keywords associated with grout cleaning, it also has to rank for the new product line. So there's a lot of attention that has to be put towards Google search. And now that this product really is positioned to become the de facto grout cleaning product that there is, it needs publicity. Any kind of cleaning, any kind of home and garden publications, podcasts, blogs, whatever, they have to know about it. They have to write about it. Their readers have to learn about it. And that's going to be a publicity campaign, an ongoing campaign. And this company hasn't even tried to do this. So this is going to be a totally new project. But the growth potential is totally there. It's poised. It's proven that it can sell on Amazon. It's proven that it's the best in the market, which is going to position it well for publicity, for getting into brick and mortar stores, and for slightly easier path to ranking in Google for some technical issues. But overall, there's a lot of work ahead, but it's good work. There's a light at the end of the tunnel of every one of these things, and the light is very shiny. Like, the potential for this product and this business is really amazing. It can be not $1 million plus of revenue a year, but 10 millions of revenue plus a year if it gets into the brick and mortar stores and if it really becomes the de facto cleaning. Because today, if you look at any kind of cleaning influencers, they're not recommending this product that much. Very, very, very few and very small ones. But I still, ironically, I got some kind of a recommendation for a news article or something. And it was like, how do you clean grout? And I thought that I was getting recommended this article because of this particular product, but it's somebody recommending some kind of a vinegar solution or some kind of DIY home solution. And so people are still recommending solutions that are not this. And so this is still not a household name. And so that tells me there's so much room to grow. So it's a very positive future for this product. I'm very happy for the founder. There was a lot of challenges that we overcame. And few people are more deserving of success than the founder of this company. But for you, hopefully this illustrates how hard it was in the beginning, why it took longer than it should have, and why in most companies it takes longer than you wanted to. and the kind of work that's coming up ahead. And in the next videos, I'm going to show you a business plan for this company in its 2-year maturity.